Well, isn't this just a little bit of a change of pace? Well, it is. This is an armored truck. I almost said unarmored for some reason. To carry money, the moolah. All that moolah. Let's see what else. So actually, this took me only 2 hours. And when I say only, it's because I have to find all the pieces. They're all in my closet over there. And white is pretty easy to find, so it wasn't that difficult. I love these wheels. They're the newer ones. I got them on the Fairground Mixer. That one Lego set. It was like, I don't know, but go and put that on. Actually, I'll show you real quick. That's hollow, both sides. There you go. So this front muffler plate is just stuck on with some very easy mechanics. Yep. So is the back. Stuck on very easy. We got license plate with the DB120. Ooh, yeah. Okay. Oh, this is actually a mechanic. I made it, sort of do, because I can't reach my fingers back without that all the way. So now I can with those things off. Now you can actually sort of see back there. There's two windows inside here. This front part. And actually, this is that upside down window I got from Power Miners. I just felt like doing that. Oh crap. Oh no, give me a minute. Rear view mirrors. That is so inaccurate. Who cares? Every single person does. Okay, so the rear view mirror should be like hanging out like a bus. Like to here. You can see back because they don't usually have windows on these sides, but sometimes I guess they do. I don't know what this blue is all about. That's pretty nice. So, that's sort of ventilation. Trying to open up these. Yeah. There you go. Okay, you can sort of see in there. There's. Oh crap. Okay, so there's a steering wheel and a shifter. Can't really see it. This is inside here. This is all flat. That's all flat. Most of it's all flat. This is the only place this part connects. And it works out pretty dang well. There you go. That was easy. Wish I had that button still. I never have one. I don't know what I'm thinking. So, compared to a person, oh, yep, that's like 12 feet tall. Seriously, that's huge. Totally inaccurate. It's okay though, because it still looks cool. It's like most of my tanks. They're not very accurate to scale. Like, I think each of the. No, it'd be. Yeah, it'd be 12 feet. So, each of these people are like 5'5". That'd be 11 feet. How about? Yep. So, anyway, that's about it for today. Tell me what to build in the comments, and I will probably build it. So, see you guys later. Peace out.